Hi everyone, so, Apple has officially announced the new iPhone SE, a lower-cost iPhone that starts at $399 for a version with 64GB of storage. It has the same basic shape and looks like the iPhone 8. It has Apple's 4.7-inch IPS LCD Retina display with true tone color. It sounds as though it's the exact same display and a home button with Touch ID as what's on the iPhone 8. It's a design that has stayed consistent since the iPhone 6, which makes the iPhone SE essentially the fifth generation of that same look. Apple knows this design well. This new iPhone SE is essentially an iPhone 8 with a better camera and processor, and a lower price tag. There's a single 12-megapixel camera lens on the back. Apple says it's using the A13 Bionics chips to improve its smart HDR photography, which combines multiple shots into a single photo to improve lighting and detail. It also has a portrait mode with technology Apple calls monocular depth sensing. It uses machine learning to detect depth and faces. It includes optical image stabilization, and Apple says it can do cinematic stabilization on video as well as support 4K video at 60 FPS. The front-facing selfie camera is 7 megapixels, and it can also do portrait mode effects. Although it's a relatively old design, this iPhone SE has Apple's A13 Bionic chip, the same that's available in the latest iPhone 11 and 11 Pro models. It is available for pre-order this Friday, April 17th, and it will ship on April 24th. There will be a 128GB model offered for $449 and a 256GB model for $549. I hope you enjoy the new iPhone SE update. Keep subscribing, also take care of yourself, peace out.